Hi guys, this is Rabia and you're listening to the Burger Rants. Long time no see. I know I hate myself for missing episodes, but when I tell you guys, the last week have been so overwhelming for me. I had so much to do. There was so much on my plate. I literally thought I would crash out. Like I was literally on screen like working and doing other stuff, but I was on my laptop and another screen, and I was just seeing screen for like 20, not 20 but 12 hours, like in a row, 13 hours in a row, no break. मैं बस देखी जा रही थी. I literally thought कि my brain's gonna melt, my eyes gonna pop out, क्योंकि आप जब इतनी ज़्यादा screen देख लो तो you're like I don't have a mind anymore and I'm just doing things, or you literally feel like robotic. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing things. I'm just typing out. I'm just literally viewing the screen. I literally need to go out and see greenery, see something, and to feel the real world. Because it just gets very intense when you're working so much. But I literally thought that I'm gonna crash out. There was just so much work in life that I was like, I need to get done with this. I need to get done with that. But I am glad I made it. I did not like last Sunday. I thought that there's no way that I'm gonna like finish all of that work, but I'm so glad I did it before the deadline and it happened. There's just so much stress that is released from my shoulder. I literally stopped like living at one point. And also at the same time, I was just really avazar. I was frustrated from life. So there's this friend of mine, Amima, shout out to her. She would literally like kept telling me that this job has made you insane. She didn't say insane, but she said that it kind of like you changed a little, and not in the way that I willingly changed. It was a change that even I didn't like, that I'm like not living life the way I should be. And I was really lively. Like if you're following me on Instagram since like the past 2-3 years, I just always would post so much stories. I'm barely active on Instagram now, even though I love sharing, I love talking. I'm not consistent with the podcast. There's just so much that I keep like losing with this like corporate job. And one thing I have realized about corporate slavery is that they just want you to dedicate your life to them. They genuinely just want you, they want you to be like, I don't even want money, I just want to work for this company because it's my goal to make this company to reach like these milestones. And that is like, I am literally like, I'm just working for this company in this salary, and this, it's not my company, I'm not the founder of it. So लेकिन फिर भी they just like, you're just in a way, you just feel like I'm obliged to do this thing. I have to work overtime even if I'm not getting paid for that. I have to. Sometimes it's like your for yourself, for your mental sanity, that I need to finish this so that I don't get called out. And it's not even like that you need appreciation or some sort of thing, some sort of like beneficial thing. It's just like you don't want to get like screwed by your management. That, because when you get screwed, it's just more like it just affects your mental health more badly, whatever, than not doing the work. और आप उसमें चालाकी करो और आप काम कम करो, whatever, या आप उनसे लड़ो. तो आप कभी कभी बस कहते हो कि oh, I have to do this, even though like for other people they're like, are you insane? Why are you like worried this much for something, right? I don't know how to explain this. Like, and they just want you to like dedicate your life to the company. Like you would not be able. I literally like realized that there's just a lot of things that I started doing when I was working remotely, and I had just had a lot of time, for example this podcast, or having maybe a tajweed class, a Quran class. And if I started like, if I was working in an on-site job and I was going some like to an office every single day, I would not have started these things. So these things would not have been in life, and I would just lived that concrete gray bad life like every single day. But now since I have things, I just need to be consistent with that, and I think it's a blessing in disguise that I started these things, because now I just have to carry those things. तो मुझे लगता है कि obviously while it's like a great thing to be financially independent and to like do adult stuff, sometimes it's good to live the life for which you have worked for which you have studied for. But at the same time, sometimes योर पर्सनल क्रिएटिविटी और जो आप में मतलब के होता है कि ओ आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस, योर हॉबीज, योर लाइफ गेट्स अफेक्टेड एंड यू शुड नॉट लेट योर सेल्फ डू इट because you should only work like eight hours a day. That's the designated time that is given to your work life. और उसके अलावा you should be like doing something that gives you pleasure and like keeping away the fact कि if I'm getting a monetary return out of it or not. For example, for me it's this podcast. So nothing in life, like nothing like a job in life should affect my hobby because I'm supposed to work 8 to 9 hours a day, and after that I need to like still live my life and just not be miserable, which I was doing. And for the like past month I was just not in the right mind. I would just wake up, I would work, and then people at work would give you example like that कि जब मेरी शादी हुई तो मैं तो शादी से अगले दिन भी काम करना शुरू हो गया. And I'm like, how do you think कि you telling me that would motivate me to work as well? मतलब आपका भी दिमाग खराब है और आप मेरा भी दिमाग खराब कर रहे हैं. अगर आप ये सब मुझे मोटिवेट करें ये कह के कि मैं अपने काम से अगले दिन भी काम करने गया, नो, like that should not be the case. Like you should not lose yourself just for a damn job. That shouldn't be something that we should normalize or we should appreciate, right? So I was like, what I'm doing with life, this is not the life I want to live. Obviously I cannot just go and quit my life like the show in K-drama कि बस मैं जाऊँ और कहूँ I'm quitting this job and then I'll go to this like small village जहाँ पे मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है, and I'll rent out like a beautiful place जिसकी बहुत अच्छी scenery and I could just live my life and restart my life. Like that can't happen. Unfortunately that can't happen. तो लेकिन there's a way I can balance my life. So there's a way I can balance my screen time, even watching a lot of phone and a lot of brain rot content, watching a lot of like even YouTube, even Instagram, even Twitter, like scrolling a lot. मुझे मतलब मैं ये सोचती हूँ what I'm doing with life, मैंने क्या किया है. अब मैंने एक बार घंटा बैठ के scroll किया है. I could have watched an episode if I needed entertainment of some show. I would have read a chapter of that book and that would have been better for me and maybe more entertaining. उससे फिर भी मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जब आप सिर्फ अपना फ़ोन यूज़ करते रहते हो और फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट you don't feel good. लेकिन as compared to that, if you're watching like a show, a good show, or you're watching or you're reading a book, you just feel better. अब काम करते हुए ना I'm listening to like उर्दू नॉवल की ऑडियो बुक, it's genuinely good. मतलब I feel good कि I'm like okay, मतलब there's just this story happening, it's interesting, or I'm getting entertained by it. तो मुझे लगता है कि बंदे को एक पॉइंट पे आते हैं, बंदा कहता है कि यार मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ क्या कर रही हूँ. When you're in university, तो इट्स लाइक कि यूर इन अ क्लास, राइट, और वहाँ पे आपके टीचर आए हैं, तो यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली शेयरिंग नॉलेज. कुछ वो आपको चीज़ें बता रहे हैं, कुछ आप चीज़ें डिस्कस कर रहे हो, आपका कॉन्स्टेंटली जहन इवॉल्व हो रहा है, आपके जहन में और चीज़ें आ रही हैं. मतलब कि यू आर नरिशिंग योर ब्रेन, राइट, व्हेन यू आर इन अ क्लास, व्हेन यू आर इन यूनिवर्सिटी, देन यू हैव योर फ्रेंड्स अराउंड, तो यू आर स्पेंडिंग क्वालिटी टाइम विद देम, यू आर बेयरली सीइंग योर फोन बिकॉज यू आर अराउंड योर फ्रेंड्स. तो इस वजह से यू जस्ट फील मोर गुड, यू फील एनर्जेटिक, you feel like life is worth living. लेकिन as compared to in a corporate life, obviously some people have a creative job और उनको वो करते हुए बहुत मज़ा आता है. लेकिन sometimes when you're just on your screen just like typing and clicking the whole day for 8 hours, it gets tiring. Or obviously initially it's like you're learning thing and it is maybe nourishing for your brain as well. Like once you get the gist of things, so you're just working on the same thing again and again and again. It's just not like good. And especially with that, if you're just listening to the same music over and over again, तो भी कोई मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. इस वजह से I started listening to podcast while working, and now I listen to like audiobooks, which is like so like it changed my life, literally changed my work life. I like literally work with more passion when I'm listening to Urdu audiobooks or English audiobooks, जो भी है. तो I feel like if you are about to be a corporate slave, or if you want to be, मतलब aspire to be a corporate slave, I literally aspire to be a corporate slave. I literally like said that on Twitter, that when I was in like my last day of university, मेरा last day था, और my teacher told me that you are a corporate lady and you will do something big. I still want to do something big, लेकिन I just don't want to limit myself being a corporate lady. I was like, sir, are you sure? मतलब अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि maybe I don't want to be like, no, time I just really wanted to be a corporate lady. There's still like a lot of things about my job that I really 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 enjoy, and obviously I keep working for it because obviously I need money as well. But at the same time मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो हॉबीज़ होना बड़ा ज़रूरी है. यू नीड टू हैव लाइक अ क्रिएटिव, लाइक कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपना ना. और ओके, सो आई यूज्ड ChatGPT maybe for the first time last week. आई रियलाइज कि यार लोगों की ज़िंदगी कितनी आसान हो गई है. लाइक for our parents, when they would do their research article, they would literally go to libraries and they'll like search a newspaper in books to find piece of information that they could add in their research or add in their project, whatever. और फिर हमारे टाइम पे ये था कि we would search on Google and we would like read articles thoroughly to find that one point that we could add in our article. और उस टाइम obviously Turnitin report थी, तो उसमें भी आपको जो है वो डाल के सबमिट करा के देखना पड़ता था कि यू कैन नॉट लिटरली जस्ट कॉपी द होल टेक्स्ट, यू हैव टू लाइक चेंज वर्ड्स. तो उसके लिए आपको फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इन द आर्टिकल एंड देन फुली ग्रास्प इट एंड देन राइट इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स और राइट इट in your own understanding, which is great. तो कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिविटी थी. With ChatGPT, you just write things and they give you ideas by yourself. तो I'm like ये ज़्यादती है, मतलब कि obviously as helpful as it is, लेकिन एक टाइम आता है कि आप कहते हो कि नहीं यार, I want my brain to work, I want to make ideas, I want to be creative, और creative होना बहुत important है. तो मैं जो हूँ वो how could I let that thing decide. सोचो, मतलब मैं कहूँ कि मुझे पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड बनानी है एंड आई मेक द ChatGPT राइट द होल स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई से इट, और वो एपिसोड बहुत हिट हो जाती है, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आती है, बहुत मुझे व्यूज़ मिलते हैं, लेकिन दैट इज़ नॉट माई क्रिएटिव आइडिया. तो दैट वुड नॉट मेक मी हैप्पी, दैट आर नॉट माई वर्ड्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि इवन इफ़ योर जॉब इज़ लाइक ड्राई, आपकी साइड पे जो है वो हॉबी या कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें यू आर लेटिंग आउट योर क्रिएटिविटी. Some people are good in drawing, so they do art, they do painting, drawing, whatever, sketching. Some people, for me, it's like the podcast. I can think, okay, मुझे अब कौन सा topic करना है, or I want to post on Instagram, whatever it is. For some people, it's something else. For some people, it's something else. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि creative process रुकना नहीं चाहिए. Whenever like I am in summer, I always get this like sadness or slight anxiety. Or last year it was something else, or last year was maybe that कि I was just in home all the time कि I just really wanted to get out. लेकिन इस बार even though I felt really low, लेकिन I had so much work to do कि I was miserable, but at the same time I was also working. और फिर मुझे उसमें ये था कि I just need to like breathe, I just need to sleep one day without thinking I have to wake up the next day, or without thinking I have to do this the next day. You know, that's great to have like things to get done, लेकिन sometimes you just need a break, or when the break gets longer, तो sometimes you just need to do the things. तो मुझे लगता है कि बैलेंस लाइफ में बड़ा ज़रूरी है, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई. मुझे लगता है कि अब इस सिचुएशन में, मुझे लगता है सिंस द पास्ट लाइक 3-4 years आई रियली अंडरस्टूड माई सेल्फ फुली कि अब जब मुझे कुछ होता है तो आई नो के what I need and what I need to do to get over by it. तो मुझे लगता है ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो try to understand yourself and try to know कि आपको क्या चीज़ चाहिए to make yourself feel better. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अब जैसे मुझे पता है कि मुझे जो है, मतलब कि I just felt so drained, so burnt out कि I knew कि I needed a break, and my brain is literally not working and I need to like literally go out. And literally मैं पिछले 3 दिन से I am seeing literally a lot. मैं पिछले 3 दिन से I'm just sitting in my balcony, not doing anything, not thinking, and it's been so good for me कि I realized कि I just needed to like sit in air, sit in fresh air. अब मैंने ना बहुत किया था गर्मी, इतनी गर्मी, उतनी गर्मी. I was like, what if I don't hate summer? What if our summer are fine? और मैं literally देख रही हूँ people this summer especially, I'm seeing कि people are doing what they want to do. They're having fun, they're going. Everyone is going there, everyone is having fun. गर्मी है, but they're not letting that thing be a barrier to their fun and enjoyment, which I really like. And I was like, तो मुझे realize हुआ कि even though I am going out every single day, but I am literally like not doing anything. I'm not letting myself think. I just need to like relax for a moment. So फिर मैंने कहा अच्छा what are the things that I can do to just like be back to life, just to live a little. And I realized कि एक तो I just need to like go out for walks. I love going on walks, or especially रात के time. I think it's so nice. Obviously it's summer, but it's not that bad. Like you can go out and have a walk, and I think a lot of people are out for walk इस मौसम में especially. But it's just nice. फिर मैंने सोचा कि आई नीड टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग अगेन, बिकॉज लिटरली आई थॉट कि आई एम नॉट वॉचिंग एनी थिंग, द थिंग्स दैट आई एम वॉचिंग आर टू सैड फॉर मी टू वॉच. आई नीड टू लाइक लिटरली लाइक रीड समथिंग लाइट एंड नाइस. आई नीड टू गेट द किंडल आउट. आई वॉज लाइक आई लिटरली थॉट के ओ आई मिस रीडिंग, तो मुझे शायद कुछ पढ़ना चाहिए. आई नीड टू एन्जॉय मोर. तो फिर आई गॉट लाइक 2 days ऑफ. तो एक तो ईद भी आ रही है, ऑब्वियसली ईद इज़ लाइक नेक्स्ट वीक. So I had an off for like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I got off for like Wednesday and Tuesday. So आज Sunday है and I'm gonna go work on Monday, but also I'm gonna meet my friends on Monday. So Monday is not that bad for me, and I'm having a whole week off, and in this whole week I'm just gonna have fun. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna watch fiction. I'm gonna read fiction. मैंने मतलब कुछ सोचना नहीं है. मेरा literally आज तक ऐसा दिन अभी तक कोई नहीं आया जिसमें मैंने लैपटॉप जो है वो ना खोला हो. मुझे रोज़ खोल के देखना है. और लिटरली आई एम जस्ट द मोस्ट एक्साइटेड कि आई विल पैक माई लैपटॉप इन द कबर्ड एंड आई विल नॉट सी इट फॉर अ होल वीक. और वो लिटरली वो दिन 1 साल से आया नहीं है जिस दिन कोई ऐसा दिन ना हो कि मैंने अपना लैपटॉप खोल के ना देखा हो. इस महीने एक टाइम पे मैं इतनी पागल हो गई थी कि आई वॉज ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन संडे, सो दैट आई एम नॉट स्क्रूड ऑन मंडे टू कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा काम देखूं और मैं ओवरवेल्म्ड हो जाऊँ. तो it's going a little I'm going a little insane, but I was like, Rabia, you can't live like that. Like literally like collect yourself, do something, or live your life. Literally enjoy your life, and you do not have to. I do not have to go out and just hang out और मैं ये करूँ वो करूँ. I can literally be happy in my own home with like the things I have, with the things I can be creative with the things that I can enjoy. So this is what my goal is for the next week, and I'll share on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you aren't. Never on good rants, लेकिन मैंने सोचा है कि भाई I'll share it with people तो ताकि they could also see and like maybe get something out of it. Maybe start doing that for themselves as well. Maybe someone else is also burnt out right now and they want like to get out of it. So I was like, I need to share that on my Instagram. So I'm gonna share how my whole week went, and hopefully next week I'll have a lot to tell you guys. I'm also thinking to join swimming classes, which is gonna be insane. Halake there's just a lot happening, or it's like such a go even personally with my like family, because I told you there's a wedding coming up. So it's like such like we are so busy, but at the same time वही बात है कि you need to have like you need to take out time for hobbies and just like do something that could be new for you. That was like I need to do it. Maybe it's a little expensive, like I need to do it. तो मुझे लगता है कि I know के where I am wasting money, तो I'll just like restrict myself not spend money फजूल का on also like तो in reward I can get something like that. तो yeah, so I'm really excited for मतलब कि even though it's gonna be really hot, लेकिन I'm just really like I am literally right now looking forward. एक तो I'm gonna have a off, तो कल मेरा काम मतलब कि कल I have a working day, उसके बाद but I have like a long weekend, really long weekend. और उसके बाद maybe hopefully I'll return to work fresh. और उसके बाद फिर I'll join swimming classes or something that could like just keep me motivated, and I would not take work इतना ज़्यादा अपने सर पे, ताकि I do not lose myself in order to make like people above me happy, right? So yeah, that's my plan. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see, and I'll see you guys, report you guys next week.